Book of Heaven, Volume 11, October 29th, 1914. The acts united with the will of God are complete and perfect acts. I was lamenting to bless Jesus because of his privations, and my poor heart oppressed was in delirium. Speaking nonsense, I said to him, "My love, how can this be? Have you forgotten that I don't know how, nor can I be without you, either with you on earth or with you in heaven? Do you perhaps want me to remind you of this? Do you want to be silent, asleep, troubled? Then do so, as long as you remain always with me. But I feel that you have put me out of your heart. Ah, did you have the heart to do this?" But as I was saying this and other nonsense, my sweet Jesus, moving in my interior, told me,
"My daughter, calm down, I am here. To say that I have put you out of my heart is an insult that you give me, when I keep you in the depth of my heart, and so tightly that my whole being flows in you and yours in me. Therefore be attentive so that nothing of my being which flows within you may escape you, and that each one of your acts may be united with my will. In fact, my will contains completely accomplished acts. One single act of my will is enough to create 1,000 worlds, all perfect and complete. I do not need subsequent acts. One is enough for all. So in doing the simplest act, united with my will, you will give me a complete act. That is, an act of love, of praise, of thanksgiving, of reparation. In sum, you will enclose for me everything in this act. Even more, you will enclose even myself, and will give myself to me. Ah, yes, only these acts united with my will can stand before me, because with a perfect being who does not know how to do incomplete acts, it takes complete and perfect acts to give him honor and satisfaction. And only in my will the creature find these complete and perfect acts. Outside of my will, no matter how good her acts might be, they will always be imperfect and incomplete, because the creature needs subsequent acts in order to complete and perfect a work, if she manages at all. Therefore, all that the creature does outside of my will, I look on as a trifle. So may my will be your life, your regime, your all. In this way, by enclosing my will, you will be in me and I in you, and you will be very careful not to say ever again that I have put you out of my heart.